Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make cream ganache. First, gather your simple ingredients: 200 grams of good quality chocolate, 150 milliliters of heavy cream, and 10 grams of unsalted butter. Using quality chocolate, like a 70% dark variety, will significantly enhance the final taste and texture. Ensure your heavy cream contains at least 36% milk fat for optimal richness and consistency. Next, pour your 150 milliliters of heavy cream into a small saucepan. Heat the cream over medium-low heat, stirring occasionally until it just begins to simmer. You will see tiny bubbles forming around the edges of the pan. It is crucial not to let the cream come to a rolling boil, as this can scorch it and negatively impact the ganache's flavor and texture. Once the cream is hot, immediately pour it over your 200 grams of finely chopped chocolate, which you have placed in a heat-proof bowl. Let this mixture sit undisturbed for about 5 minutes. This resting period allows the hot cream to thoroughly melt the chocolate. After 5 minutes, begin stirring gently from the center of the bowl, gradually expanding outwards until the ganache is completely smooth and beautifully glossy. For an extra touch of shine and richness, stir in 10 grams of unsalted butter until fully incorporated. Now, allow your freshly made ganache to cool and thicken at room temperature for approximately 1 hour. The consistency will become perfect for various uses. You can use this versatile ganache as a decadent glaze for cakes, a rich filling for pastries, or even a delightful dip for fresh fruit.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.